So up front we have the primary conveyor elephant trunk assembly. This chute allows you to control material dropping it into stem walls or around perimeter drain, things of that sort. We have two options. It comes with a tremie pipe, plastic tube, or a rubber elephant trunk for a little more mobility on it. But the operation itself, so this is it seated on here. It has a couple side rails that it holds onto. Pop the latches, just pulls off. In the event you're using the elephant trunk assembly or you're just needing to control material and get it to drop straight down, this rubber flap and shroud flips down and latches in, much like the elephant trunk frame itself. But if you're trying to launch material or you'd like to keep the end of the boom itself clear, just pull the elephant trunk frame out and you're ready to operate the boom just like this.